How did we go from this to this? The original rear column profile was a complex molded high-density foam part, with a large missing section between the top and the bottom of the column. To repair the left-hand side column, we scanned the right-hand side column and mirrored the image. We then 3D printed a new mold of the complex shape. Using resins in the 3D mold, we cast the missing parts and joined the two sections of the column again. The side wall was also damaged, and some of the timber frames had started to decay. This was repaired, and new wooden struts were machined and scribed into the existing. The rotten framing was replaced with newly machined timber struts. The side wall aluminium panels were rebonded and repaired, making the wall nice and flat again. The decals were coppered, and after respray, they were replaced with new ones. The rear column was reattached, and she was good to go. A skilled craftsman used the latest technology to copy and repair almost any part, because importing these parts to New Zealand has become cost prohibitive.